Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Water Lane towards Arbor Street. Arbor Street is a one-way road running east with several intersections. I will indicate each. Arbor Street begins, and here is the West Street intersection. Matthews Lane intersection, popularly referred to as Matches Lane. Princess Street intersection. Luke Lane intersection. Orange Street intersection. Peters Lane intersection. King Street intersection. Temple Lane intersection. On the left is Tax Administration Jamaica Stamp Office. Church Street intersection. Mark Lane intersection. Duke Street intersection. Johns Lane intersection. East Street intersection. There are several buildings ahead to the left and right of the road belonging to the Grace Kennedy Group. George's Lane intersection. The building on the left is one of Grace Kennedy's. Hanover Street intersection. Here are two additional Grace Kennedy buildings, both on the left and right. On the left is Rum Lane, Rosemary Lane intersection. Maidle Lane is on the left, Exchange Lane is on the right, as well as the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Gold Street intersection. On the left is Foster Lane. Holborn Street intersection. On the right is Breezy Castle Sports Complex. On the left is the Spectrum Management Authority. Fleet Street intersection. On the right is Kingston Ice Making Company Limited. Arbor Street ends here, and we are at the Arbor Street and the South Camp Road intersection. We are now driving on the Michael Manley Boulevard, which will take us to Rockfort, Harbourview, to the Norman Manley International Airport, and St. Thomas Parish. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.